Here's my Arduino setup. I have a joystick as my analog in and my light as my digital out. And here I have my P5 program. So over here I'm going to click to change the LED light. So using my click, the light turns on. When I click again, it turns off. Now with the light on, we can use the joystick to change the background color. See, here you can see I am moving my joystick and the background color is changing. So I have the X and Y as the first two numbers of the color, and my third number is just the average of those two.